Okay. So welcome. I'm really glad that all of you could make it. I'm going to just briefly introduce myself and talk a little bit about this, about the meetup, what we want to do, and then have some introductions. And hopefully by then Ray will get here and he can start his first talk. So just for people who don't know me, I'm Bhaskar. I manage the GWT team at Google, among other things. I've been doing compilers for a long time, like around 15 to 20 years, mostly C++. I'm fairly new to GWT. I guess I can do that for a couple more years after that. It's not that anymore. But I started managing GWT like a couple of years ago. Fantastic ecosystem, really great product. I think where we're going is we really want to build up the open source community around GWT, right? Get a lot more contributors in. That's one of the purposes here. The people out here and a few who couldn't make it are the main contributors to GWT. And it's a tool that's used all over the place. And I'm constantly surprised by where else it's being used. It's also very widely used within Google, and that's the reason for this whole team to we have to support our users within Google, at the same time do whatever we can to make it more popular, at the same time modernize it. Okay, so with that, I just wanted to go quickly over the schedule and some logistics. So this is sort of an informal thing. I'll try to keep as close to the schedule as possible, but we can do a little bit of back and forth. So Ray is going to come and talk a little bit about past and present future of GWT. And then we have a whole day of coding sessions. I'm going to let Brian, who is not here yet, or is he here yet?
He's stuck in traffic. He's going to be here in 10 minutes.
Okay. So Brian and Daniel are going to talk a little bit about what we want to do here and get some coding going. So there's a list of projects which you have in mind, and kind of sign up informally for that and have 2 or 3 people work on each project. And we're going to do coding for almost the entire day today. We have this room and we have a couple of other rooms. I think there's one room on that side, Acapulco, and then Bahamas, so we can actually split up a little bit. Let's see. So I'm also planning like a steering committee meeting around the break time in the afternoon. There's a few things that we need to discuss and sort of just have a separate sort of quick gathering and discussion on that. Mostly like non-technical sort of things. Let's see. So tomorrow we have a few talks. GSS resource, Julian's going to talk about that, and then with Fiddler, Colin. Then we're going to have like a Q&A session about SuperDev mode, interop, bunch of things. Supposed to be a mock-up of a new bitproject.org, which Julian said he's going to show.
Actually, this looks fantastic.
Okay, great. And then we're going to talk a little bit about the GWT roadmap. And then I have an optional sort of a walk along the Bay Walk, the Bay Trail, if somebody's interested. If not, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah. Logistics. So lunch, we are going to eat in the cafe. So you can actually get food from this cafe, or you can actually wander around and get food from some of the other cafes, both today and tomorrow. We are having a social in the evening, so there is, I think in that building out there, we're going to have sort of a beer and wine social and dinner. It's approximately 8:30, but you can hang around. Let's see. Any other questions? Anything that people have logistics-wise? Yeah, so the bathrooms are right there. I think they're supposed to be open unless somebody's using them. You can also go inside, but then you'd need somebody to take you inside. Let's see. So I'm looking at this sort of an informal thing. I'm not expecting everybody to just sit here and just keep working all the time. You can sort of wander around a little bit, take a break, get some coffee, things like that. Okay. So with that, maybe we can do a quick sort of introduction around the room, and by then hopefully they will be here. Just brief about who you are, where you're working, what do you do, sort of thing. So who wants to go? You want to start from here?
I'm Brandon Donaldson. I work for Sencha, or Colin here, and I work on the GXT team, and I contribute to some of the other things out there. I've worked for RPs too at some point. That's kind of fun.
I'm Colin Allworth. I lead the GXT team at Sencha. I'm on the steering committee, and I'm on IRC a lot, far too much.
Yes. Yeah, hey, my name is Daniel, and I work for Google on the web team.
Hi, my name is Smokya Janakiraman. I work at RB's with Christian and all folks.
My name is Roberto Lublinerman, and I work with Google at the web team. My name is Janakiraman. I'm working at RB's, and I'm working on the GSS resource.
My name is Maxime Rimat-Aron, and I'm working with at RB's too. Some other folks here.
My name is Manon Gruaz, and I'm a designer, so I don't do code at all. But I'm here, and I work at Arby's.
So, my name is Christopher Viel. I work at Arby's. I contribute to GoodEP, and I work with those other folks from Arby's too.
My name is Michael Vogt. I'm from Germany, freelancer, and I'm not contributing yet actively, but I hope this changes soon.
My name is Joel, and I work for Arby's, and I'm pretty new to Git, so this is a good opportunity to learn more, I guess.
Do we pass those guys over?
Sure. You go there.
So my name is Jan Lothrop. I've worked with some of you already. I'm independent and doing various things.
My name is Manuel Carrasco. I am working now for Buddy. Contribute with.
My name is Christopher Gamage. I work at HP. Haven't yet contributed. I hope to eventually.
My name is Andre. I'm sorry.
My name is Christian Goudot. I co-founded Arby's with Philippe Baudouin. Contributed a lot to GoodEP, and now, unfortunately, I don't cut that much anymore. But I still try to do it as much as I can.
So I'm still Andre. I've contributed some pictures.
Yeah, my name is Christian Sadilek. I work for JBoss by Red Hat. I'm using Git since, I don't know, 2006 or something. And I'm at Red Hat, I'm leading the Orion project now.
My name is Stephen Haberman. I work for Bizzo that does online advertising, and we have a medium-ish Git application on the steering committee as well, having worked on a few things over the years. Git related anyway.
Good. Great, thanks. So we still don't have Ray, so we have a few more minutes. I don't know, do you want to...
we can do it again.
You can do it all over again? Sure.
I am Brandon.
Faster this time.
Yeah,
So,
slower, because we need to wait.
Yeah. So I think in terms of the coding stuff, do you want to... Brian is not here yet either, but do you want to say anything? Or should
So
we
I think we can
flash
flip.
up the project or something?
So I think we can flip a couple of things around to make it work. So we could talk a little bit about, and it's probably okay to do this right now, on how to contribute, and just technical stuff. How do you set up your IDE? How do you execute tests and stuff like that?